Hello there. So, this video is going to be an update. Woohoo! Probably noticed I got a new haircut. Basically, my hair's a lot shorter than it was. It's getting a bit long, and what I like to call the rat tails coming on, so it needed doing. Right, so basically, we're going to be talking about two main topics. One is what has been and what's been done. We'll obviously address the hair already. And what will be happening or possibly will be happening. So what has happened? So recently, I had put a comment on the unification group saying I was thinking about knocking YouTube on the head, and I kind of did for about a week. I removed it from visibility, so if you try clicking on my videos, it wouldn't let you watch them. What this was down to was basically I had a comment saying, need to get a microphone. That was it. And then every other comment following was, great vid, sort the sound out, about like 5 or 6 comments possibly. Basically just saying, sounds not great. And what it appeared to me was that because it was every single comment afterwards, that the people commenting about the sound wasn't really watching it. Now, it could be me, being a bit funny. Or it could be that people wasn't actually watching it. So what I did was I asked a couple of friends who hadn't yet watched the video to watch the video and give me feedback. And none of them had mentioned the sound. So then I asked them and said, how was the sound? And they said it was fine. I watched it on my phone, watched it on my TV. It was all fine. I don't know what. And then they'd obviously read the comments and I told them. And I said, I don't know what these guys are on about. So obviously that was my assumption as well. Hence why I wanted to stop. I changed my mind recently because I think I'm going to crack on, see if I can do any better. But if I keep, this isn't like a ultimatum. If I keep hearing it, then maybe I will just quit. It's like I said, I'm not being funny because if it's not good enough on both sides, if I'm making an effort and then nothing's being reciprocated, that sounds really weird for me to say it that way. If I'm putting an effort in and then it's not being noticed, you probably noticed that I am wearing this here, and I've been doing it around here, basically under my t-shirt recently, next to my voice box. That's how I know. And I've been watching the videos back to make sure that at least proficient sound quality. Not perfect, no. There's just going to be videos with a lot way louder, more professional, we'll say, but the financial situation, basically phone, headphones, it works proficiently at the minute for me. Anyway, so I won't try and dwell on this too much, but obviously if you do have any problems with it, comments down below and let me know. But please, don't just follow what everyone else is reading, you know what I mean? Don't just read someone said something about the sound, so you need to then think, if it is actually bad, then let me know. If there's a problem with your speakers, then maybe there's a problem with your speakers. I'm not even investigate, basically. Maybe it is me, but obviously, if it comes to that, then I might genuinely just give up. I'd rather not, because I kind of do enjoy it. It's part of my hobby, in effect. But I equally, for your guys' sake as well as mine, I don't see the point in putting stuff out if it's just going to be not really watched anyway. Which, as I said, is the principle why I was thinking about quitting. Anywho, let's go back onto the less touchy-feely side. Ooh, having a whinge. So the things that will happen, or possibly will. Things that possibly and will happen. So obviously I'm going to be making some more videos, all being well. And I've noticed recently that some of my tactic videos are doing quite well-ish, for my standards anyway. So I probably will make a couple more. So obviously if you've got any more tactic videos, I think I did have a suggestion on Google Plus once before about Tyranids. I haven't actually played them yet. But I will think of some others, and I possibly have a thought of doing some basic tactic videos so you can apply the rules to any army to possibly help you win. Now, let me know what you think. I was thinking about it the other day, so I haven't actually put anything on paper or anything like that. But I think it could be good, not just for newbies, but people who have maybe been playing a while. So if James doesn't mind, I will mention, sometimes James says, oh, well, I don't know, should I be bringing this? I said, well, in this situation, you're going to do really well against this unit. Obviously, without going into it, what's the point in making a video if I'm going to spoil it now? Anyway, that's the principle. Yes, so we've discussed what I might possibly do. Maybe some more battle reports, hopefully. The garage should be warming up slightly with the weather, as it is. What else? Oh, yes, so there's going to be a mystery. Ooh. And obviously, James, if you are watching this, don't go spoiling it by putting it in the comments down below, you know, because I know you know. It's not really fair. Basically, you're probably aware that I'm quite into Warhammer 40k. Well, if you aren't, then you've probably not really been paying attention. Anyway, so Warhammer 40k. I've just bought some Age of Sigmar army. I ain't actually used them yet, so I will do. But starting another game system. Now, this is the mystery part, and obviously comments are welcome down below. Basically, have a guess. I'll give you a slight clue. It is a miniature war game, and I don't know if I want to tell you this one. It might be giving it away a bit too much. And it's 28mm. So that's all I'll give you. That's all I'll give you for now. But if you want to make comments down below and guessing, very welcome. And yeah, I think that's about it. I can't really think of anything else. Yes, I think that's what we'll call it a day. Good day to you.